welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a ambient setting in like this. It's a golden hour. I just made it like a couple minutes ago. Yeah, it's super easy to make ambient setting video, and yeah, let's get into it. What to do is get two blocks. It can be any shape, but it has to be colorless. Now, you can put any two colors you want on here. I'm going to make a nighttime. So, but you can put any colors you want. I can make it. You can make a new one, but you don't have to. You can make it basic. Still seem like two good colors for nighttime. Anyways, now what to do is look at the color code. This is just what I do. It's easier for me. So look at the color code, get a sign out, and type down the color code. The color code for mine is 535. You don't have to do it capital or ridiculous. And then put the sign on that color. So now do it with the other one. It's this one. 292929. Those are both times. Those are both going down. I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, I put my two signs on colors. Now you want to get out a trigger. You can't see this, but I'm holding the trigger. The camera can't see the triggers, the code blocks, and the sound block. But then you go to selection, press any block for triggered by, and get your hand. Be shared, connect. Now at the bottom, press add, and go to edit. Up here it says type. Click on that, and then it will say ambience. Press that, and it will take you to ambient settings. Now you want to put in the color. Okay, that's the first color. It shows up for here, but it actually doesn't show up when you get out of the trigger. Okay, what's the next one? Okay, that's my other color. This looks like a nighttime color. Okay, now I'm going to change my thing. Is this one down? Or I don't know. Pretty sure it's like applying like that. Get it fully size. Let's make it like a little foggy. Yeah, I think that's good. We can change the time and transitions. I'm going to do 1 at 14 seconds. I really don't know what curve does, but you can change that. Trigger on, trigger need. I'm gonna put on enter. Now press OK. Change back to this. So now, want to go back. Get any block. I'm gonna use down. Now you want to animate it to go through the trigger block again and again. And now you want to press the speed thing that says 100. You can type in 99999. Just type in 9 until it says apply. And now it will say up here, it says 1E plus 06. And that means if you you can put it smooth, and that's how you make like a thing fast. Anyway, so once you've gotten that done, that means right when you take this out of the prefabs, it will turn into the color you want it to. Now, if you just want to stop it, just get rid of it. I'm not going to delete this, and then go in player, and then go in editor again. It will change back to normal. Yeah, that is how you use ambient settings. And grab. Thank you for watching. Good. Oh, and